In this video, I will show you how to add users or collaborators in your Shopify store. So the first step is you want to make sure that you're on the right Shopify plan. So when you come into setting and go to plan, go to change plan. For the basic plan, you cannot add any additional users. So you want to make sure that you're at least on the Shopify plan. This gives you 5 additional staff accounts. So after you confirm that you're on the right plan, we can exit this, come back to settings, go to users and permissions, and you will see a staff account tab here. So you can just click on add staff, input their first name, last name, and email, and also select the permission that you want to give them. So for example, if you select all permissions, and then it will give you a warning because you're granting sensitive permissions in some of the access. So you want to make sure to check or uncheck the access accordingly. So let's say if you just have someone designing the store for you, so you would probably want to uncheck orders, uncheck gift cards, even analytics. So I will uncheck the ones that has sensitive information. And if you're not sure about what this is, you can just click the drop down box and then it will show you the exact access that you're granting. So when you're done, you can just come down here. You can also grant permissions to the apps. And when you're done, just click on send invite. And then an invite will be sent to your user or collaborator. So this is how you add users or collaborators in your Shopify store.